Oh, whoops. All right, now, one of the things I find when you're learning how to mix Thinset for your tile is there's a tendency to mix it too thin, thinking it's thick enough. So I'm going to show you what's not thick enough right now. All right, here we go. Get this adjusted here. All right, now this is still a little what I call soupy. Okay, it almost looks thick enough. All right, but okay, you see how that's just kind of falling off? Okay, that is too thin. Again, let me show you one more time. So it just kind of rolls off of here. Pretend this is your tile. And when you put your tile up on the wall, what's going to happen? It's just going to run off, run down to the bottom, and you know, you're not going to have a real good bond as the end result. Okay? So this is what you don't want, but when you're learning, you're going to think that this consistency is pretty good. But remember, if it's running off your trowel, it's going to run off your tile. If it's running off the trowel, it'll run off your tile, right? Okay, I can, look, we're just going to do a test here, okay? Now, here's my tile. I'm going to put it on my tile. All right, I'm going to score it. Okay, it's scored. Look, it's going to run off the tile. It's running now, okay? Look, it's running. See? So this is too thin, all right? And that's my point. If it's running off your trowel when you're mixing it, it'll run off the tile when you put it up on the wall. All right, so what I'm going to do at this point, okay, is I've got a cup in here. And the reason I'm using the cup is for two reasons. One, I can control the amount of Thinset I put in here so I don't get too much at one time. And also, the dust, you really don't want to breathe the dust. Okay, so I've got this cup pretty full. And now I'm just kind of sprinkle this in here all around. Okay. That keeps the dust down, okay? And I'll get it mixed up. I wish YouTube's videoing capabilities added a pause button, at least when you're not going live. Like right now, there is no pause on this. I have put it in my suggestions to YouTube. Sent them a message mentioning it. I've mentioned it in other videos. But if YouTube would add a pause button to their videos, at least when you're not going live, you know. On this mode right here, this is going to be an upload straight to YouTube. And I'm probably going to make it non-public at the moment, but it will be released. Okay, now it's that 1 cup of Thinset, okay, has thickened that up quite a bit. Okay, see how slow it's dripping off of here. All right, I'm going to add just a little bit more of this Thinset, just a little bit. I think it's a little too thin. I want it kind of like mud. Don't know. Okay, I've got about 1/3 of a cup of Thinset in here. And I'm thinking it should just about make it right. Maybe a little less than 1/3 of a cup. Yeah, a little less than 1/3. But it's pretty thick right now. You saw how it fell off in globs. And so it's just about there. Okay. And the reason I'm talking about if you could pause it, see, I would pause all this mixing. So you're not having to sit here with this dead time and watch me mix. That could be avoided. So I hope YouTube watches my video, hears what I'm saying, and goes, wow, you know he's right. And how many other people would appreciate and would benefit from this. All right, this is feeling heavy, which means it's gotten quite a bit thicker. You saw how much I added to it. Okay, now it's still moving and falling, but it's very slow, very, very slow. Okay, and I would say that's pretty good because it's not going to be this thick on the tile, right? It's going to be more like about this thick right here. Okay, and that's not really going anywhere. Okay, that's not even hardly moving, and that's what you want. Okay, it's about a 1/4 inch thick, maybe a little more. Okay, so now I'm going to put it on the tile and put it in place. And so before I stop this video, I will give you a precursor. All right, bam. I'm going to be doing this wall right here. This is where my custom handheld piece I made. It was a piece of copper with the chrome escutcheon, and I custom painted it. And I also have videos on how to custom paint your trim, even your plastic switch plates, socket plates, and all that. Anyways, so I'm going to be working on this wall, and that's what I'm going to be showing you in the finished product. I got this to fill as well. And this is going to be filled in that little edge right there with this piece. This is going to go in here. Okay, and I'm going to fill that gap up there. All right, this is where that's going to go. Get some light up there where you can see it. Okay. Then my tile's going to butt against that little strip. Okay. And that's how we're going to do that. All right, so with no further ado, I'm going to turn this off. I can get busy with what I'm doing. And I'll show you the finished product. Now, real quick, check out Richard Bernadotte here on YouTube. He's also over at BitChute. You can, David Knight, Walker Outdoors, really good guys, really good channels. Piranha Dad or Dad's Piranha. He has a metal detecting show. He keeps it interesting. Sane Auto has a top-notch, well put together car show videos on just old cars and old muscle cars and Corvettes and you name it. Really top-notch guy, top-notch show. Camaro time. We have Paula. Oh boy, this is bad. Paula. Oh, doggone. This is frustrating. Paulson. Kelly Paulson. There's why I'm screwing up. Kelly Paulson and Doug Paulson. They have a live broadcast. Don't forget Enjoying Life. Enjoying Life's a really good guy. He will show your videos on his live stream. So if you haven't been to Enjoying Life, tell him I sent you. That would be good. I'd appreciate it. That way he knows where you're coming from. Enjoying Life will show your videos. But everybody I've mentioned, and there's more, are worth checking out, or worth communities that are worth joining. And oh, there is Dr. Outdoors, really good channel. He's in Florida. He's got some really good stuff. There's Hazel Hurley. I'm not pronouncing that right. She has a bunch of just butterfly videos. If you're into nature and butterflies and that kind of thing, you can look in my comments and find her comment. Click on her icon and you can go to her page. Actually, you can go to anybody's page by doing that if you didn't know, which is really important to know that a lot of everybody does. So anyways, I'm going to finish up this bathroom. This is what's called a steam shower. This is all enclosed. Okay, there's my ceiling. I've got this upper wall above the window to finish. I've got some pieces here in the ceiling to finish. Okay, I've got a light that's going to be here in the corner. With this custom steam shower, I've got one valve, two valves to control the overhead, my body sprayers, and this handheld. So this is good as a custom deluxe with the shower seat right here that I'm using for a shelf at the moment. Looks kind of trashy, unfortunately, right now. But nonetheless, this is a custom deluxe steam shower that you're going to get to watch the progression on. And look forward to hearing from you. So I'm shutting up. Bye for now. God bless. Take care. And one more is Brenda G Designs. If you're into crafts and making things, she does just an assortment of crafts. And really good girl. Well, she's not a girl, you know. Anyways, Brenda G Designs. Check her out. Good people. All these people are good people. And there's more. But again, you know, I got to have a list in front of me. So, all right, the rest of you, if I haven't mentioned you, Farmall Fantastic is another one. Oh, see, slowly they're coming to me. So, then there's Houndsman 1. Houndsman 1's got an interesting channel. Check out Houndsman 1. He also has a bunch of hounds. They may be up for sale if you're looking for hounds. Houndsman 1, check him out. Shoot. CW. I forget. I'm sorry. All right, I'm going to shut up. So, never give up because there's always a way. And that's for real. Always a way. All right, bye for now. God bless. We're just keeping it real. See you on the next one. And an update on this. Yeah.